Hey again, mathematicians, it's Ms. Letchworth. I wanted to share with you a couple sites that I think are really helpful for adding two-digit and three-digit numbers, also subtracting two-digit and three-digit numbers. Keep in mind you can use anything at home that you might have instead of the place value blocks that we use in the classroom. You could use napkins for hundreds. You could use straws or popsicle sticks for tens or pencils even, and then something smaller like pennies or dimes for your ones, right? So get creative. You don't have to do everything online, but I did want to show you these three great games and sites that might help you if you're solving two and three-digit addition or subtraction. So this has this great little tool on Cool Math for Kids, and you can click here and it will give you a keypad where you can put in your equation. So you can add several things. No, it's not like a calculator. It will not do the work for you, but it will let you set up your equation by typing in. All right, so say we have three add-ins here. Look, I can click and drag, and I can come back to it to fill in and type once I find my answer. All right, then you simply will show your work right here by clicking and dragging. I'm going to show 16 and 55. So oops, I didn't need that one. You can click on it, select it, and then come over here to the trash can to delete objects you don't want. Right, you're going to click and drag for each one. You get it in the right place, they should kind of stick together, okay, because we know that once we get 10 together, they're going to make exactly a group of 10, a 10 stick, right? So it'll take some patience to click and drag, but you're going to keep going with that until you get to all three add-ins and then find your total sum. You can actually break them apart also, right? So I can select this 10 right here, and if I am subtracting and want to break a 10, I can ungroup them and look, now they are, oops, maybe not. Yeah, okay, there we go. I knew that would work. All right, now we've karate chopped them, right? So that 10 has now been sliced into 10 ones. You could do the same thing with your hundreds. Now watch, what should happen when we karate chop these? They should break into 10 groups of 10. You got it. All right, I think it might just take a little minute. There we go. Look, I can pull apart each and every 10 from that 100 slot. So this is a very cool tool to use, especially when you are regrouping for addition and subtraction. Two other quick ones. I know you guys have been loving ABC since you're limited with that in the classroom, but here's a good one called Base 10 Fun. That gives you different options. You can read and make the number that they give you with place value blocks. You can listen to the number and make it, or you can count it and write it. We're just going to click on the first one. I'd like for you to try hundreds, then you're going to press go. All right, and that was incorrect because look, my screen was in the wrong place. Hello. So what you'll do is make sure that you have the number to make, which is at the top of the screen. All right, I made 111. That is not enough. How many more 10s do I need? Exactly. 2 more 10s. 1 more and 2 more. Now I have 131. Correct. Another feature I love about that game is that look, it keeps track. This looks like a ruler down here, but it's a number line that goes all the way to 500. So it'll keep track of what you're making. All right. The other ones are similar, and you can check out the different options for Base 10 Fun. Here's another one called Base 10 Bingo. I will make sure I'm in the right space. You can also go to full screen. Oops, if you're a premium member, which you have to pay for, we're going to keep it in this screen right now. So press go. And then I would like for you to try at least ones, tens, and hundreds. Look, you can select more than one, not just one. That'll be too easy for you. All right, so do ones, tens, hundreds, and then select your grid size, which is how many squares that it will take to make bingo. So 3 being the easiest, you only have to get 3 in a row. Count up your objects. I see 100, 110, 111. Look, I have 2 of those. I can select either one. If I get it correct, it'll cover it up. Here I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 441, 442, 443. Correct. All right. Now, if I count them up and I don't get them accurate, let's say we know that's well above 100, right? Because I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. So just for the sake of it, yeah, if you click on an incorrect box, it'll say try again. All right, but please use this to actually count them up and don't just hit the wrong ones guessing, okay? All right, you are amazing mathematicians and you can do that hard work. So check out these great games for reviewing base 10, both finding the total number and counting up place value blocks, and also the cool math for kids that allows you to add and subtract by showing your work with place value blocks. All right, have fun, show your great thinking.